So, hi there, I am Mel Jones, and today we are going to be making fish curry in a hurry. Which to some of you may be scary because it means you may need to move fast, but you don't. Trust me, I'm okay with this because I don't like exercising. So instead, we try to eat healthier because life is all about balance. Without balance, we fall over. We need fish, and then we also need the Be Well canola oil. Now, the Be Well canola oil, this baby over here, is approved by the Cancer Association and the Heart and Stroke Foundation, high in omega-3 fats and also GMO free. And then it also tells you at the back over here that you should know your fats. I know my fats. Do you know yours? If you want to get to know them better, all the information's on the bottle. Buy them. What's the point of telling you if you can just go find out for yourself? Half the joy is in the journey. And the journey today is fish curry in a hurry. So, we are also going to be having minced garlic. And if you've ever seen any of the videos, we're going to have to mince the garlic ourselves. So, what we are going to do first is we are going to wash, remove the scales, and clean the fish. Or we're going to take it out the box. Oh, look, I'm such an expert at turning things on. And now that we have our minced garlic, we are ready to get started. We are going to add our oil to the pan. We're going to saute the garlic, curry powder, and our cayenne. I feel like a proper professional chef. Like, oh, that whiff. That is delicious. But it is what it is. Oh, so there's a pro tip. Keep the heat low as possible so that you don't burn the garlic or the spices. We add our coconut milk. Oh, because we're going to make a sauce. Delicious. Add some salt and pepper, or some pepper and salt. Add the cilantro or the parsley. Cilantro or parsley. Cook on medium heat. See you in 5 minutes. So I'm cutting the fish in half because then it's going to cook quicker. Could you hear that? This has been cooking for about 5 minutes. Take our fish, pop them in. This will serve, in my family, this will serve a family of 1. Then we cook for 4 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes on this side, and 3 to 4 minutes flipped. And so here we are, our fish curry in a hurry. As you can see, while it was in the pan, it multiplied. This is what happens when you leave fish alone for too long. First come, first serve. You know, if the people come afterwards, where's mine? Where were you when I was dishing up? We're playing outside. Some of the cilantro, what do you call it? Dhania, cilantro, coriander. It smells divine. Let's hope it tastes the same. Oh, that is good. Curry in a hurry.